This is Kevin King with Pinehurst Websites, and today I'm going to show you how to create a page of collections in Shopify. So this is different than connecting to a collection, where instead of connecting to all the items in a collection, maybe you want to connect to sub-collections. So instead of seeing all the water filters, maybe we want to see all the water filter collections. So we have this is a page of collections. So this is LG water filters, Samsung water filters, and Whirlpool. So we could have more collections on this, but when you go to it, you only see water filters that are LG water filters in this collection, as opposed to seeing when you first land on this, what we've done is we've connected this to water filters by brand. So we've connected to a page of collections on our navigation menu. If that's what you're trying to do, an example of that would be having a link for men's clothing. When you click on men's clothing, then it goes directly to men's shoes, men's shirts, men's pants. So you would have men's shoes, men's shirts, men's pants. So if that's what you're trying to accomplish, this is an easy way to do it. Basically, it takes 3 steps. So first we're going to create a template, then we're going to create a page, and then we're going to connect that page to a navigation menu or to a button. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we might do that. So we're going to go through the admin, and first we're going to go to the customize your store. Go to online store, and you want to customize your theme. Right here, just click on customize. And this is Shopify 2.0, which is, this is a new way of doing it where you no longer have to do custom coding. You simply create a template. So let's go to the type of template that we want to create, and it's going to be a page template. So if we scroll down, we're going to see pages, and you'll see I made that template for water filters by brand. We're going to create another one, and this one will be a separate template, and this is going to be by air filters by brand. So, and this could be men's clothing, or this could be, anything where you want to create a page of collections. So it could be designer jewelry, and it could have all your designer jewelry collections in it. So I'm going to go ahead and create that based off of the default page template. So I go ahead and just create it. And now what I want to do is go create a page. So I'm going to go back over to the admin, and I'm going to go to pages. And I'm just going to create a new page, and it's going to be air filters by brand. Now what I want to do is maybe if I want to put a list of air filter brands for a description and compatibles. And then I'm going to just change this default template to my new air filters by brand. So now that I've created that, I can now connect this page now that I have the new template for it, and then I can go edit that page to look the way I want or have the collections in it that I want. So let's first go to the online store. We're going to go back over and look at navigation menus, and I'm going to go to the main menu, and I'm just going to add off of the main menu. I'm going to add, you'll see this is your top level menu all the way to the left. And I'm going to create one called air filters by brand. So now I have something that I can link to, and I want to link a page to it. And I'm going to go air filters by brand. So I'm going to go ahead and add that and just save my menu. So the last thing for me to do is go and customize that page the way I want it to look. So if I go to themes and I go to customize, I can now connect this to air filters by brand, and you see it's on this new template, air filters by brand. So I'm just going to edit that template, and I'm going to add a section, and it's going to be a collection list, and this will be a list of the collections that I wanted. So once I click on the first collection over here on the left, I'm going to select my collection, and for air filter brands I'll choose Honeywell, select it, and then I'll go to the next collection in the list, select it, and then we're going to connect Lennox, and then for the final one, I'm going to connect Carrier. Now you see Carrier comes up with a product, and I'm going to show you why it's coming up with a product in this, and it's showing Carrier. So what we want to do, we may want to have it with a logo, but you can choose the image that it comes up with. And let me just show you where to do that. So if we go back over to our products, and then we go to collections, and we look at Carrier, and we'll see Carrier doesn't have a custom image like the other ones do. And if you just click on that, otherwise it will pull the first image from the first product and use that for your collection image. So if you want something other than that, just go add an image, and we've got a Carrier image right here, and we'll just save that. Now if we go back over and we preview our page again, and we're going to look at our air filters by brand, we're going to see that now we have an image of Carrier. And then when we click on it, we go to all the Carrier and Carrier compatible filters. So if you want to create a page of collections rather than connecting to a collection, this is the way to do that. Now once you've created this page of collections, you can connect it in other places as well. So if we go to online store, and we wanted to change where the banner navigation goes, we could just connect that instead of connecting it to a collection, which is what we do currently. We can connect that banner image to a page of collections. So let's go ahead and look at it. And if we go to the buttons here, and we see our buttons, we click on, and we see air filters over here on the right. So we've got air filters and water filters. All we're going to do is we're going to change the link for the button. So instead of having it go to the air filters collection, we're going to go to page and use that page, air filters by brand. And now when you click on that button, it will go to the air filters collection page. So that's all there is to creating a link to a page of collections. And of course, on the left-hand side, you'll see you can add more collections as well. So you can add as many as you need to add. And then when you want to create a new template for a different kind of page of collections, you just go and you create a new page template under page templates where we started in the beginning. And you'll see the page templates that you have, air filters by brand, water filters by brand, and you can populate those with the collections that you want. But you can also create a new template by going create a new template, for instance. So hope that was clear for you. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. You can follow my tutorials. There should be links to tutorials in the footer. Or you can subscribe and like my channel, and you'll see more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.